yoko na sa'yo. Tinanon mo lang ako. Paano ba ang galing din ka?
Me as a producer here in Toronto wants to bring the artists, the celebrities from the Philippines so that they have the feeling of, wow, kaya din pala natin dito sa Toronto ang magkaroon ng Filipino events.
Masarap pong makatulong sa ating mga artista para po ma-promote na rin po natin kung gaano kaganda ang ating mga kaugalian na galing sa atin at gaano hindi lang kaugalian pero kung gaano tayo ka-talented sa buong bansa. Hindi lang dito sa Canada but sa buong bansa. Yeah.
Well, Sunkissed is made brown or warm by the sun. Tapos yung Lola is a short name for Dolores sa Spanish, which means sorrow or kalungkutan. Ayun. So, Sunkissed sorrow or naaninagan na kalungkutan. Ayun.
Really fun, especially because like every day going to school and coming back to school, I listened to Sunkissed Lola and like, you know, it was just so amazing to hear the songs live, like sang by them.
Yeah. The experience was great. I can't believe I heard them in real life. Of course, Papicilio, their famous song, I shouted it out with my whole lungs. It's really great experience.
Oh, it was amazing. It's our first time seeing them live, and yung live the live band is so overwhelming. It's so energetic. Yeah, full of energy.
It's different when you're listening compared to when you're there and you're singing along with them, and you know, with all the lights and all that. So super saya.
And may mga concept kami. Every show has, you know, its own concept. And iba-iba din yung mga genres ng aming mga shows. Like we have for adults, we have for Gen Z. Like ngayon, Gen Z ng Sunkissed Lola ngayon.
Speaking on behalf of all of us, I think we really appreciate when producers produce our concerts, especially because it not only helps the producer to grow their production, but it also helps us in preparation for other big events and opportunities that are coming our way. So we really appreciate all the support.
Sa akin talaga is they did choose their last song perfectly kasi Pasilio is one of the famous songs that they have, right? And iba yung feel ng live tapos nilagyan pa nila ng ad-libs.
Of course, the Pasilio, like the ending, it was so fun, like it was very interactive. It was also the ending when everyone got out their flashlights.
Of course, the main part is the Pasilio.
Pasilio.
And I'm so blessed na when I started in 2017, it was challenging, but then after ng a year, lalo ko siyang nagustuhan para makapagbigay siya sa mga Pilipino dito sa community.
Na country na nakikinig sa amin aside from the Philippines and Indonesia and US pa. Yun. Isa din talaga sa top is yung Canada talaga. So, nagulat kami kasi nagkaroon kami ng pagkakataon para iparinig sa mga some of the Canada people na yung music namin ng live.
Keep supporting OPM and
See you next year.
As all three of us are artists, you guys inspire us a lot to move forward and go for our dreams.
Yeah.
I love you, lungs.
I will amin to my crush next week. Happy birthday, for real. Happy birthday.
Ingat sa pag-uwi, mahalin niyo yung mga magulang niyo, kumain kayo ng gulay.